You cannot upload a LNK file to Google Drive. It is just a shortcut pointing to a file on your computer. If you send this to a friend, it won't work for them. You must send the actual file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain why. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single LNK file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. The file structure mandates that the LNK is treated as a shortcut file instance. The data structure employs the Windows File Shortcut method. The LNK file type stands for Windows Shortcut File. It is a small file that points to another executable file or folder, allowing the user to quickly launch or access the target item. Developed by Microsoft for Windows, the design is a proprietary binary structure that stores the path to the target file, icon index, and other metadata. Guaranteed access to LNK files is typically achieved using Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows shows shortcut icons and info, but nothing opens unless the target still exists. To solve the application association issue, right-click your LNK file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Windows and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. The right program is out there. When your LNK file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, check Target. Right-click the .lnk file, go to Properties, Shortcut tab, and ensure the target path points to a valid existing file. Next, check for corruption. If the file is corrupt, delete the file and recreate the shortcut by right-clicking the original file. Finally, check Antivirus. If the file is being deleted, ensure your antivirus software is not incorrectly quarantining the shortcut. If earlier tests couldn't identify the LNK file type, it's time to escalate to advanced software. It's your best attempt at opening uncommon or stubborn formats. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the LNK content is a massive time saver. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. We're wrapped up here. See you next time. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.